Hello friends, I am Rameshwar Bausaheb Kapre, Assistant Professor, Sadguru College of Agriculture, Mirzgaon. Today we have to discuss the major oilseed crop or pest of groundnut crop. The first pest of groundnut crop or major pest on groundnut crop, groundnut aphid. Groundnut aphid, these are the sucking pest or major sucking pest on groundnut crop. Scientific name of aphid, Apis crassivora, family Aphididae, order Hemiptera. Means these are the sucking pest. In this Hemiptera, the life cycle completed in 3 stages: egg, nymph and adult. Nymph and adult, damaging stage of aphids. See the pictures. These are the aphids on groundnut crop. Nature of damage. Both nymphs and adults suck the cell sap from tender leaves and shoots. After hatching of the eggs, these nymphs and adults suck the cell sap from tender leaves and shoots. After sucking the cell sap, change in leaves color for greenish to yellow, and infested plant show the different symptoms such as yellowing of leaves, browning of leaves, and infested plant ultimately dry. And these nymphs and adults secrete the honeydew-like substance on develop the black sooty mold or Capnodium fungus. It's affect the photosynthesis and yield of the crop. These aphids transmit the rosette disease on groundnut. Management practices: spraying 0.02% methyl dimeton 25 EC or monocrotophos for control the aphids. See the different images. These are the damaging symptoms on aphids. Now next pest of groundnut leaf roller, also known as groundnut leaf miner. Scientific name of groundnut leaf miner, Aproerima modicella, family Gillichidae, order Lepidoptera. Oviposition, tender leaves and shoots. Egg laid on leafy portions. Pupation in mined leaves and leaf folds. See the metamorphosis and life cycle of groundnut leaf miner. Groundnut leaf miner life cycle completed in 4 stages such as eggs, larva, pupa and adult. Larva, these are the damaging stage of these pests, and these 4 stages also known as complete types of metamorphosis. See the damaging symptoms of groundnut leaf miner on groundnut crop. Firstly, brown streaks observed on leafy portions. Host plant, these are the polyphagous pest, means leaf miner feed to the soybean, bauchi, groundnut crops. Nature of damage: the larva mines upper epidermis of leaves during the early stage of their growth. After hatching of the eggs, this caterpillar feed to the epidermis of leaves at night times, and the mines leaves show brown streaks. After feeding or after damaging, these leaves show the brown streaks. Later, these larvae bite away their way out from their mines or brings to adjacent leaves, and it affects the photosynthesis and yield of the crop. Management practices: spraying 0.01% phenol rate 20 EC, another monocrotophos for control the leaf miner. Next important pest on groundnut crop, white grub, and these white grub also known as June beetles. Scientific name of white grub, Holotrichia serrata, family Scarabidae, order Coleoptera. In this Coleoptera, the damaging stage only grub. See the images. These are the caterpillar of white grub, grub of white grub, and damaging stage of white grub. C-shape larva, oilish color, Oviposition and pupation both are inside the soil. Host plant Polyphagus. In this pest, the larval host and adult host are totally different. The larva feed in field and vegetable crops, and adult host feed to the big trees such as neem, babul, gulmor, sevga, etc. Only one generation completed in a single year. These are the most important for objective type questions. How many generation completed in a year? Only one generation. Carryover stage beetle in soil. Nature of damage. Grub feed on roots and rootlets of the plant, and after feeding of roots, the plant become yellowish and ultimately drying. And these attacked plants can be pulled out from soil easily. Management practices: collection of beetles by shaking host tree at night hours and their destruction. Use of light trap at the time of night for collecting the beetles, and these collected beetles killed to the kerosinized water. Another, collection and destruction of grubs from the field at the time of weeding or interculturing. Flooding of the field. Spray the host tree with 0.1% carbaryl. Another, soil application of phorate. These are the control measure of fight grub. Now another important pest of groundnut. Name of this pest, groundnut thrips. See the images. These are the adult of thrips. Scientific name, Scriptothrips dorsalis and Thrips tabaci. Family, Thripidae. Order, Thysanoptera. Oviposition, inside the leaf tissues, generally on lower side of the leaves. Pupation in soil. These thrips transmit on chili crop Bocoda disease. This Bocoda disease also known as Soruda Moda disease. Nature of damage, same as other sucking pest. Suck the oozing cell sap. After sucking the cell sap, change in leaves color, and infested plants show the yellowing symptoms, and infested plant ultimately dry. It is responsible for the transmitting tomato spotted wilt virus and major bird necrosis disease on groundnut crops. Management practices: spraying with 0.03% dimethoates 30 EC or 0.05% monocrotophos 36 WSC as soon as incidence as noticed. And minor pest, the pod sucking bug. Scientific name of pod sucking bug, Elasmolamus sordidus. Family, Lycidae. Order, Hemiptera. And nature of damage, same as other sucking pest. Nymphs and adult, these are the damaging stage of this pest, and these nymphs and adults suck the cell sap from the leaves, and after sucking, the quality of seed totally poor, adversely effect on yield. Okay, thank you.